Good morning. Good morning. Say, I'm such a happy girl this morning. Say, I had a nap already. Say, I've already had a little nap. Where did you sleep last night, Ava Claire? Where did you sleep? In your bed. In your bed. Say, yay! Where did Mommy sleep? Where did Mommy sleep? Say, in the floor. Say, in the floor, but that's okay. Say, we're making progress. Aren't we? Can you smile one more time? Can you smile one more time? Who are we watching on TV? Who have we been watching? Regis and Kelly. Say, we like them. They're our favorite. Yeah. They're our favorite. Are you bouncing?